It's my project going on now is I'm going to build another circus wagon. It's supposed to be some bad weather later on in the afternoon. Next project, ongoing, along with 3 others. But the engine and primer, 1.5 horsepower McCormick-Deering, was a throttle governor engine when it was new, and I done already been working on it. You know, I think I welded up the holes in the block there where the tank pipes exited. You know, whatever it took to get up this condition done been done. In primer could be painted, but I think we'll prime it again. Oh, it'll be a hit and miss. Governor, you know, done already moved from that other side over to this side to work as a latch out mechanism. Intake and exhaust has been upside down. Did mixer in the bottom, exhaust out the mixer hole. And I made a bracket there, such as is, to swing the push rod instead of supporting it from the fuel pump pivot bolt. A little different. The ignition is to be built now. This engine is to be on the cart in the full distance on the workbench. Yeah, I think I'll build this in 44 inches long. And we'll put some decorative sides on it. Time it's all done, we'll call it another circus wagon. First glimpse. We'll see how it turns out. I check back every now and then if you want to. You know, subscribe. Well, the sequence of operation: suction, as the sequence of the valve mechanism, I'll show it to you. Comes around. Okay, when that comes around right now, it's coming around to like then relationship to the crankshaft. That valve opens. And there is a measurement between the push rod and the exhaust rocker arm. Now, there'll be a spring in there later on. But this distance right here can confirm your timing after you adjust a few of them and get familiar with what that distance is. I'm just saying. Oh yeah, got a little in Middle Tennessee. How cool is that? Huh. Oh yeah, we got a whole family of Tennessee. Well, I'd say it's a family of 4, evidently. Oh, bigger. Yeah. It seems like they hung around all day. It rained here this season a lot. Yeah, how cool is that? Let's get on with the project.